When people think about Toyota's most reliable vehicles, their minds usually go straight to the legends. The 4Runner, the Land Cruiser, the Tacoma, maybe even the Camry. Those vehicles have earned their reputations over decades of hard use. But reliability isn't just about surviving off-road adventures or towing heavy trailers. For most Americans, reliability means something much simpler. It means turning the key every morning and knowing the vehicle will start. It means avoiding expensive repairs. It means driving 200,000, 300,000, or even 400,000 miles without major drama. And when you look at reliability through that lens, a different Toyota begins to stand out. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Now, before you click away because it's just a Corolla, hear me out. Because the reason this car is so impressive isn't exciting, and that's exactly why it's special.
Toyota has spent the last several years introducing more advanced engines, turbocharged power plants, larger infotainment systems, and increasingly sophisticated technology. Many of those changes have improved performance and efficiency, but complexity almost always introduces more potential failure points. The Corolla Hybrid takes a different approach. Instead of chasing trends, Toyota kept using a powertrain that has already proven itself over millions of miles and countless owners. At the heart of the Corolla Hybrid is Toyota's 1.8-liter naturally aspirated hybrid system. This isn't some brand new experimental engine. Its roots go back many years. Toyota has continuously refined it, improved it, and addressed weaknesses over time. That matters because reliability is often earned through years of real-world testing, not engineering promises. One of the biggest reasons owners trust this system is its simplicity. There's no turbocharger, no high-pressure direct injection system, no complicated performance-focused hardware. The engine does its job quietly and efficiently. And sometimes, simple engineering is the best engineering. The same philosophy extends to the transmission. Toyota's eCVT has become one of the most misunderstood transmissions in the industry.
A lot of people hear the letters CVT and immediately assume trouble. But Toyota's hybrid eCVT is completely different from the belt-driven CVTs that have created problems for some manufacturers over the years. Instead of relying on belts and pulleys, Toyota uses a planetary gear-based system integrated with electric motors. The result is remarkably durable. Many Toyota specialists report seeing these transmissions run for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. That kind of track record is difficult to ignore. But reliability isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. Ownership costs matter too, and this is where the Corolla Hybrid starts separating itself from many competitors. Fuel economy consistently lands around the 50-mile-per-gallon range, with some owners reporting even higher numbers in real-world driving. That means fewer stops at gas stations and lower operating costs year after year. Think about that for a moment. If you drive 15,000 miles annually, the difference between 50 mpg and 30 mpg becomes significant over the course of ownership. And unlike many electric vehicles or plug-in hybrids, there's no major lifestyle adjustment required. You simply fill it up and drive. The Corolla Hybrid also benefits from Toyota's long experience with hybrid batteries. Back when hybrids first appeared, many buyers worried that battery replacement would become a massive expense. Fast forward to today, and Toyota's hybrid systems have largely proven those fears exaggerated. Millions of hybrid vehicles on the road have demonstrated that the battery systems can last far longer than many expected. Another reason the Corolla Hybrid earns praise is its consistency.
A lot of vehicles are excellent when they're new. The challenge comes 5, 8, or 10 years later. That's where reliability reputations are truly built. Talk to long-term Toyota owners and you'll hear a common theme. The Corolla rarely demands attention. Oil changes, tires, brake maintenance, routine services. And then it just keeps going. It's not uncommon to find older Corollas with mileage numbers that would make owners of other brands nervous. The vehicle simply develops a reputation for durability that extends well beyond warranty periods. Now, does that mean the Corolla Hybrid is perfect? Of course not. No vehicle is. There are some compromises. Acceleration is adequate rather than exciting. Nobody is buying this car for sports car performance. The cabin, while functional, doesn't feel particularly luxurious. And some reviewers have pointed out that certain infotainment features and interior materials feel basic compared to newer competitors. If you want cutting-edge technology or premium touches, other vehicles may be more appealing. Some rivals also offer slightly more interior space.
The Honda Civic, for example, often receives praise for its roomy cabin and refined driving experience. But here's the interesting thing. When buyers start prioritizing long-term ownership confidence over short-term excitement, the conversation changes. Suddenly, reliability becomes more important than an extra few horsepower. A slightly larger screen matters less than avoiding a major repair bill. And And that's where the Corolla Hybrid continues to shine. Another factor working in its favor is Toyota's manufacturing discipline. The Corolla has spent decades serving as one of the company's core products. That means Toyota understands exactly who this car is for. It isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's designed to provide dependable transportation with minimal surprises.
The technology no longer feels cutting edge, but reliability keeps paying dividends every single day. A dependable vehicle saves money, it saves time, it reduces stress. And for many families, that matters far more than having the fastest car in the neighborhood. When you look at the Corolla Hybrid through that lens, its appeal becomes obvious. It delivers outstanding fuel economy, proven hybrid technology, low ownership costs, a long-established reputation for durability, and a powertrain that has already earned the trust of millions of drivers worldwide. That combination is incredibly difficult to beat. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you agree that the Corolla Hybrid deserves the title of Toyota's most reliable model in 2026? Or would you give that crown to another Toyota? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more data-driven automotive content, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.